McKinnon Driving School. Are you looking for driving lessons in Melbourne, in and around McKinnon suburb, to learn to drive safely? If so, you have come to the right place then. We make your learning comfortable here. We're your local driving school in McKinnon. We have best instructors with difference for your specific needs. We can set up the right time for your experiences. We have driving lessons on both automatic and manual cars. There is an assessment for each lesson so it becomes a record of your training session. 431-336-996. For further discussion, McKinnon Driving School. Learn to drive safely and pass guaranteed for your practical driving test to get your driver's license test.